LM Envision Online Training. What is LM Envision? A game changer in life cycle management. LM Envision is a comprehensive life cycle management (LM) platform designed to streamline and optimize the management of complex systems and processes throughout their life cycle. It provides end-to-end solutions for planning, designing, implementing, monitoring, and maintaining projects or systems with a strong focus on integration, analytics, and automation. Why is LM Envision a game changer? Holistic life cycle management. Unlike traditional tools that focus on specific life cycle stages, LM Envision integrates all phases into a unified platform. This enables seamless data flow and coordination across departments, reducing inefficiencies and errors. Advanced analytics and insights. LM Envision harnesses advanced analytics to provide actionable insights at every life cycle stage. This empowers teams to make data-driven decisions, anticipate challenges, and optimize performance. Automation and AI capabilities. The platform incorporates automation and artificial intelligence to simplify routine tasks, enhance accuracy, and speed up processes. For example, predictive maintenance features can proactively identify potential failures, reducing downtime. Customizable and scalable. LM Envision is highly adaptable to different industries and scales of operation. Whether managing the life cycle of a small project or a large, multi-facet system, it provides tailored solutions. Collaboration and integration. The platform supports robust collaboration tools, ensuring all stakeholders have access to real-time data and updates. Additionally, it integrates with existing tools and systems, making adoption smoother without disrupting workflows. Sustainability and compliance. With built-in sustainability metrics and compliance management features, LM Envision helps organizations meet environmental and regulatory standards, which is increasingly crucial in today's market. Key features. Dynamic project management, tools for planning, resource allocation, and tracking. Integrated change management, real-time updates and impact analysis. Monitoring and reporting, dashboards and reports for performance tracking and KPIs. Risk management, identification and mitigation of risks using predictive analytics. Customer-centric design, interfaces and workflows tailored to user needs. Industries benefiting from LM Envision. Manufacturing, for product life cycle management, PLM. IT and software development, streamlining development cycles. Healthcare, managing medical device life cycles and compliance. Construction, overseeing large-scale projects with multiple stakeholders. Aerospace and defense, ensuring mission-critical systems reliability. LM Envision, bridging the gap between vision and execution. LM Envision, bridging the gap between vision and execution. LM Envision is a transformative approach or platform designed to seamlessly connect high-level organizational vision with on-the-ground execution. Here's how it bridges the gap between the two. 1. Clear vision alignment. Objective definition. LM Envision ensures that organizational goals are well articulated, measurable, and actionable. Stakeholder collaboration. It brings together diverse teams, ensuring everyone understands and aligns with the vision. 2. A data-driven execution. Integrated dashboards, real-time analytics and performance metrics allow organizations to monitor progress against their vision. Predictive insights leverages AI ML to anticipate challenges and recommend solutions proactively. 3. Scalable planning framework. Strategic roadmaps provides tools to translate high-level goals into actionable milestones. Dynamic adjustments, plans can be revised in response to changing market conditions or internal feedback. 4. Workflow orchestration. Automation integration automates repetitive tasks, freeing up resources for strategic work. Cross-functional coordination facilitates seamless collaboration across departments, breaking down silos. 5. Continuous feedback and improvement. Feedback loops ensures insights from execution are fed back into the planning process. Iterative learning helps teams refine strategies based on past performance and emerging trends. Use cases. Product development aligns R&D teams with market requirements to deliver innovative products on time. Digital transformation guides organizations through technology adoption while ensuring alignment with business goals. Customer-centric strategies helps businesses operationalize customer feedback to enhance service delivery. The key features that make LM Envision a standout tool. LM Envision, formerly known as Logic Monitor, is a cloud-based observability and monitoring platform designed to provide comprehensive insights into IT infrastructure and applications. Here are the key features that make LM Envision a standout tool. 1. Unified monitoring platform. Provides a single platform to monitor networks, servers, applications, cloud environments, and more. Reduces the complexity of managing disparate monitoring tools. 2. Cloud and hybrid IT monitoring. Fully integrates with public cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Supports hybrid environments, ensuring visibility across on-premise and cloud infrastructure. 3. AOps-driven insights. Uses artificial intelligence for IT operations, AIOps, to detect anomalies, reduce noise, and predict potential issues. Automates root cause analysis, saving time and effort in incident resolution. 4. Dynamic dashboards and reporting. Highly customizable dashboards with real-time metrics and visualizations. Advanced reporting capabilities for performance, capacity planning, and compliance tracking. 5. Pre-built integrations. Seamlessly integrates with tools like ServiceNow, Slack, PagerDuty, and Atlassian Jira. Extends functionality through APIs for custom integrations. 6. Scalable architecture. Scales efficiently to accommodate large environments with thousands of devices and applications. Cloud-based SaaS model eliminates the need for hardware investment. 7. Agentless monitoring. Employs agentless techniques to collect data, reducing overhead on monitored systems. Simplifies deployment and minimizes maintenance. 8. Advanced alerting and notification system. Provides proactive, intelligent alerts to avoid alert fatigue. Supports multi-channel notifications, including email, SMS, and third-party integrations. 9. Comprehensive coverage. Supports monitoring of diverse technologies, including databases, storage systems, virtualization platforms, and custom applications. Includes deep observability into Kubernetes and containerized environments. 10. Ease of deployment and use. Quick setup with auto-discovery of IT assets and auto-configuration of monitoring. Intuitive interface designed for IT teams of varying skill levels. Revolutionize your workflows with LM Envision's smart automation. Revolutionize your workflows with LM Envision's smart automation. Are you looking for a way to streamline your business processes, increase efficiency, and save time? LM Envision's smart automation is here to transform the way you work. Here's how. Why choose LM Envision Smart Automation? End-to-end automation. Simplify complex workflows with a powerful automation engine that handles repetitive tasks, reduces errors, and ensures consistency across processes. Intelligent decision-making. Leverage AI-driven insights to automate decision-making, optimize operations, and improve customer satisfaction. Seamless integration. Connect LM Envision with your existing tools and systems for smooth data flow and enhanced productivity. Customizable workflows. Tailor automation solutions to meet your unique business needs without extensive coding or technical expertise. Scalability. Adapt to growing business demands with scalable solutions designed to grow with your organization. Key features. Real-time monitoring and analytics. Track workflow performance, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven improvements. Collaboration tools. Enhance teamwork with features that promote transparency and communication. Compliance and security. Automate compliance checks and secure sensitive data within your workflows. Industries benefiting from LM Envision. Healthcare. Streamline patient data management and appointment scheduling. Finance. Automate compliance checks, reporting, and risk assessments. Retail. Manage inventory, process orders, and improve customer service. Manufacturing. Optimize supply chain and production line operations. LM Envision for project managers, simplifying complexity. LM Envision for project managers, simplifying complexity. Lockheed Martin's LM Envision is a project management tool designed to address the challenges of managing complex projects. It focuses on integrating advanced planning, real-time monitoring, and data-driven decision-making to ensure project efficiency and success. Below are some of the key ways LM Envision simplifies complexity for project managers. 1. Centralized data integration. LM Envision brings disparate project data into a unified dashboard, providing a single source of truth. This enables project managers to eliminate silos by integrating data from multiple sources, gain a holistic view of project metrics, schedules, and risks, make informed decisions based on comprehensive insights. 2. Advanced visualization tools. The platform employs intuitive visualizations such as Gantt charts, dashboards, and heat maps to highlight critical path activities, present complex dependencies in a clear and actionable format, Enable stakeholders to quickly grasp project statuses. 3. Predictive analytics. Using advanced analytics and machine learning, LM Envision helps project managers predict potential delays or cost overruns, simulate scenarios to evaluate different strategies, optimize resource allocation and scheduling. 4. Collaboration and communication. Collaboration tools within LM Envision ensure seamless communication by providing shared workspaces for team collaboration, facilitating automated notifications and updates, enabling role-based access to ensure the right stakeholders have the necessary information. 5. Risk and issue management. The platform incorporates robust risk management features to identify and assess risks proactively, automate risk mitigation planning, monitor ongoing risks and their impacts. 6. Real-time monitoring and updates. With real-time updates, LM Envision allows managers to track project progress in real time, identify deviations from the plan and implement corrective actions promptly, ensure alignment with project goals and timelines. Unlocking collaboration potential with LM Envision. LM Envision, Lockheed Martin's enterprise solution for integrated program management, is designed to enhance collaboration, efficiency, and decision-making across complex projects. Here's how it unlocks collaboration potential. 1. Integrated ecosystem. LM Envision consolidates data from multiple tools and platforms, creating a unified ecosystem for project management. This ensures all stakeholders have access to up-to-date, accurate information, fostering real-time collaboration. 2. Centralized data and reporting. The platform provides centralized dashboards and reporting tools, allowing team members and executives to view project statuses, risks, and performance metrics in one place. This transparency promotes trust and alignment among stakeholders. 3. Real-time communication. With features enabling real-time updates, notifications, and discussions, LM Envision supports immediate feedback and resolutions, reducing delays caused by communication gaps. 4. Role-based access control. Role-based access ensures that sensitive data is accessible only to authorized users, while still allowing team members to collaborate effectively on shared resources. 5. Workflow automation. Automated workflows help streamline repetitive tasks and enforce consistency, enabling teams to focus on strategic activities while maintaining collaborative efficiency. 6. Cross-disciplinary collaboration. LM Envision facilitates collaboration across various disciplines, such as engineering, procurement, and program management, by integrating their workflows and data into a cohesive system. 7. Scalability and flexibility. Its scalability ensures it can adapt to projects of varying sizes and complexities, supporting collaborative efforts whether for small teams or enterprise-wide initiatives. Unlocking potential through adoption. To fully realize the collaboration potential of LM Envision, organizations should invest in training, ensure all team members are proficient in using the platform, customize dashboards, tailor features to meet specific project needs, establish best practices, Standardize usage to maximize efficiency and collaboration. LM Envision Insights, turning data into decisions. LM Envision Insights, turning data into decisions focuses on leveraging advanced analytics and cutting-edge technologies to convert raw data into actionable insights. Here's an overview of how LM Envision Insights can transform data into strategic decisions. 1. Data collection and integration. Centralized data management aggregates structured and unstructured data from diverse sources like IoT devices, ERP systems, and customer interaction platforms. Seamless integration ensures compatibility with existing enterprise tools and platforms for smoother workflows. Real-time data ingestion supports continuous data streams for immediate analysis. 2. Advanced analytics. Descriptive analytics identifies historical trends and patterns in your data. Predictive analytics uses machine learning and statistical models to forecast future outcomes. Prescriptive analytics offers recommendations based on scenario simulations and optimizations. Natural language processing (NLP) extracts valuable insights from text data like customer reviews or internal reports. 3. Data visualization. Interactive dashboards, real-time visualizations tailored to stakeholders' needs. Customizable metrics track KPIs aligned with business goals. Exploratory analysis tools helps users find hidden patterns with minimal technical expertise. 4. AI and machine learning integration. Automated decision support deploys models that learn over time to refine predictions and actions. Anomaly detection identifies irregularities for faster risk mitigation. Personalization engines enhances customer experiences through tailored recommendations. 5. Decision intelligence framework. Scenario analysis simulates outcomes of potential decisions to guide strategic choices. Collaboration features facilitates real-time input from cross-functional teams. KPI monitoring tracks the impact of decisions on business outcomes. 6. Key use cases. Operational efficiency, optimize supply chains and resource allocation. Customer insights, improve customer satisfaction and retention through behavioral analysis. Risk management, strengthen compliance and reduce exposure to unforeseen risks. Market strategy, identify emerging trends and adapt marketing strategies dynamically. Why choose ProExcellency for LM Envision online training? ProExcellency is a training provider known for its specialized courses tailored to specific enterprise software solutions. Here's why choosing ProExcellency for LM Envision online training might be beneficial. 1. Comprehensive curriculum. ProExcellency designs courses that cover the complete life cycle of LM Envision, from basic functionalities to advanced features like process automation, reporting, and integration. They ensure the curriculum aligns with industry standards and real-world applications. 2. Expert trainers. Trainers are often industry experts with extensive experience in LM Envision and similar tools. They bring practical insights to the training sessions. Hands-on training and personalized guidance are hallmarks of their approach. 3. Flexible learning options. Online training sessions are designed to fit into your schedule, providing flexibility for working professionals. Recordings of sessions and supplementary learning materials allow learners to revisit the content anytime. 4. Practical and real-world scenarios. Emphasis on practical exercises and case studies to help learners understand how LM Envision is applied in real-world business scenarios. Live project guidance ensures trainees are well prepared for workplace implementation. 5. Certification support. Assistance in preparing for LM Envision certifications to help enhance your career prospects. Training includes mock tests and assignments to reinforce learning. 6. Post-training support. ProExcellency offers continued support even after training completion, including access to trainers for query resolution. Networking opportunities with fellow learners and industry experts. 7. Cost-effective solutions. Competitive pricing for high-quality training. Access to valuable resources, tools, and training materials included in the course fee. 8. Tailored corporate training. Customized training programs for teams or enterprises focusing on their unique requirements in using LM Envision. Thank you.